Alrighty, boys and girls, here we are now out at Camp Shad here. We're going to be shooting at some targets over there. And in case you didn't notice, there's a bunch of characters around here with some weapons. You know, Timmy's over here reloading. Everybody's reloading.
Training facility.
Okay, Tim, say again, you said that was prominent there?
Yes, just a little on the prominent
Just
side.
a little on the prominent side. Yeah, this is what it looks like when you get carried away and you just start shooting after it and having fun with it. There you go. How you like that? Yeah, we put a few dings in the metal over here. Yeah, we could probably dig that one out if we wanted to, but I don't know about that. Ooh, somebody chopped the top off of that. And that's pretty thick steel too, boys and girls.
Oh, look
so,
at that.
you know, when you look and see what we did to it, yeah, there you go. Get a good look at it. All right, there you go. Heck yeah. Well, that's enough for Sunday afternoon's sport with the Flat Like You Stole It gang.